I would like to take this opportunity, along with our new pastor, Father Jose Alfaro, to welcome you to St. John Neumann Catholic School. We are very excited about the opportunity to partner with you in your child's Catholic education. Our entire faculty and staff value the trust you have placed in SJNCS as we work together to prepare our Eagles spiritually and academically for high school. We can't wait to see all the familiar faces during our back-to-school nights and to welcome our new families as well. SJNCS is a pretty special little community. As an alumna of St. John Neumann class of 1988, I am honored to take on the role of principal here at SJNCS. I know firsthand as a student and parent how important Catholic education is in the formational years of our children. It is a sacrifice, but it is one of the greatest gifts we can give to our children. In choosing St. John Neumann Catholic School for your child, you have shown a commitment to the values and the philosophy of Catholic education. As we begin another year of Catholic education, and most importantly, as a ministry of St. John Neumann Parish, we are committed to keeping Christ at the center of your child's education. Our mission is to provide an excellent Catholic education to our students. Faith formation is the center of our mission as we provide opportunities for each child to develop academically, physically, emotionally, and socially. The faculty and staff are looking forward to working with you this year. Please remember that we are here to serve you. Enjoy your back-to-school nights, and I look forward to meeting with all of you in the near future. Go Eagles!